Hi, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're gonna make a Minnie Mouse sandwich. We need banana, cookie butter, and a butter knife and a napkin to wipe it off with bread. So let's open this. I'm making a Minnie Mouse sandwich. I'm spreading cookie butter. Now I'm wiping it off so I can open the banana. Let's put that aside. I'm peeling the banana. There we go. Now let's cut it. Put this aside. I'm slicing the banana. Oopsie. Let's clean that up. I can wash my hands afterwards. And if it's too big, just cut again. Because we gotta do it firm for Daddy. Perfect size. I'm making very fancy slices. Whoa. Now we put it on. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe.